Gymnocalycium cordobense, agroplants.org, also known as chin cactus. So this cactus, it's a perennial evergreen, if you count always the spines that are actually a kind of leaves. Can grow in a variety of climate, used as an ornamental for the colored leaf mostly of the cactus. As you can see, it's lovely. I should probably consider to grow it in different kind of background stones. It seems not very... you cannot really see it. Never mind, a mistake. So, perennial evergreen, as I said, it's ornamental and can grow in a variety of climates. But before this, if you would like to grow this plant, there is a link below, link in the right top side. And if you purchase it, this is donation for this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, it really helps me to continue and create more videos. And you like plants, so this is the channel for you. So can grow in Mediterranean desert or subtropical and even in temperate. Can grow with from hardiness zone 9 to 12, and the stems colors can be green, pink, brown, orange, purple, or just multicolors. The stems are kind of round and the flowers white or pink. So how to grow it? Well-drained soil, better temperatures at above 10 Celsius. So it's mean like 50 Fahrenheit, something, yeah, 50 Fahrenheit, and loose soil and well ventilated soil. So you can start to grow it by seeds, daughter plants, or just to buy a plant. It's better, of course, always to start by daughter plants because pups, it's another word for this, because it's just easier. And from seeds, it's just harder. Planting season will be in the spring in hardiness zone of 9, spring to summer in hardiness zone of 10A, spring to autumn in 10B, and possible all the year in hardiness zone of 11. Be aware that you need to plant it in well-drained soil. It's really important for the plant. And major pests are usually when the plant is big, it's viruses and other things like this, fungal. But when it's young, can be a little bit snail and slugs. But when it's really young, like a few days old, pruning is just dead parts and can be all the year. The size of the plant can be from 1 centimeter to 10 centimeters. So it's mean half to 4 inches. This plant in amazing condition will be slow growing plant that requires small amount of water. Let it dry between watering and do not overwater. It's possible to put, even if you grow it in a container, to put the water from down, let it soak the water, and after this let it dry. This is a nice method for this kind of cactus. Light condition, it's half shade to full shade. This is why this cactus can grow as a houseplant, and except this indoor, of course. Except this, just if you grow it in a container, better to plant it in a container that it will be a little bit bigger, not too much deep, shallow roots the cactus have, so it's better like more wide and shadow. Except this, use lava rocks, gravel, pebbles, soil of cactus potting mix makes enough holes in the container. I think it's something important for this plant, and well ventilated soil. It's important because if the air flow well, I saw better results. Blooming season will be from the spring to the summer, and to grow it from seeds, better to do it in half sun or half shade or full shade. Better the soil the same as a container one, well ventilated and sandy soil. And planting season in the spring better, possible also in the summer and the autumn, but not really good. Hotter the area, you can increase seasons that you can plant it, but better in the spring. Spacing, better to have it in small container just for transplanting. 2 on 2 centimeters, so it's been 1 on 1 inches. This is a spacing. Except this require lightly moist soil. Do not overwater and don't really let it fully dry. Require of course small amount of water, and it's take between 2 to 6 weeks to germinate for fresh seeds. Not sure how much it's easy to get this, but usually it will take 6 to even 10 weeks to germinate. Except this, it's beautiful cactus, you can see yourself, and if you like it, why not to grow it? And it's not hard to grow. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy and come visit us again.